This is a beautiful weather this morning, and Alhamdulillah, I am feeling positive and energetic, active in this morning because this weather is really fantastic. Assalamu alaikum energetic and lovely people. In this video, I'm gonna tell you very crucial thing that will help you to speak English fluently, as I am speaking English effortlessly and without any hesitation. So let's begin this video. Welcome to my channel Ing with Mahtav. So let's begin. I often come here to work for a while on this road, and this road is neat and clear. Neat and clear means very clean. Yes, and the bank of this road, there are a lot of trees has been planted. Oh, mashallah. And I'm really having good time while recording this video for you. So let me teach you something which is really important to enhance your spoken English. First, if you want to speak fluently, so you have to listen to English as much as you can. Yes, you have to store English information. Means you have to feed your mind English content, because if your mind is empty and there is no English content in your mind, so how can you speak English fluently? How can you convey your message with other people? Okay, so you need to store, you need to feed English content to your mind, and automatically you will start speaking English fluently, effortlessly. So please start consuming English knowledge. And if you are not getting from where should I get English knowledge, hey my dear friend, don't worry, I'm gonna tell you that thing that I follow every single day to get English content. You can use YouTube, and there are a lot of English content that you can watch English videos on YouTube channel, and those videos will help you to speak English fluently, and you will get a lot of knowledge from those videos, because those videos is made in English simple language. So that will definitely help you to learn so many vocabulary and new sentences, and those contents will help you to speak English fluently, as I am speaking English confidently, fluently. Yeah, finally I have reached the graveyard. There are two graveyards over here, and there are so many grave in this graveyard. Okay, so let me come to the point. And second thing you have to do to speak English fluently is that read. Yes, you heard me right. Read what interests you. Means if you like to read a story book, just read. And if you like science book, just read that book aloudly. Okay, and but that book should be in English language, then that book will benefit you in speaking English fluently. And if that book is not English language, so you must not read that book, because you are learning English language, so you must read any book in English language, then that book will help you to speak English fluently, confidently. So please do that. Two things I've told you here, two things. First one is listening, and second one is reading. So these are a strong pillar of speaking English fluently, confidently, or any language that you are learning these days. So start doing this thing. And third, that is also important, is remember some English word every single day. It's up to you how many words can you remember in a day. Okay, so try to remember at least 3 words, 7 words. It totally depends on your mood, on you. Okay, so do it on daily basis. If you are reading any book and you come across any new word, just write that word on your notebook with a spelling and also with sentences, and try to use those words in your daily conversation with your friends, your colleagues, or anybody who are also learning English with you. Yeah, you can use those words deliberately in your daily conversation. This is how you can be fluent in English language. Okay, and last but not least, that is very vital, so listen to this carefully. Can you guess what this is? Yeah, practice. Of course, if you don't practice what you have learned so far, probably you are going to forget everything, because practice makes a man perfect and practice makes progress. So though the more you practice in this language, the more you become the master in this language. So practice every single day, everywhere, every time. Whenever you get a golden chance, opportunity to express yourself in this language, so please grab that opportunity deliberately and try to express yourself at least 1 minute, 2 minutes, but do it on purpose. Then nobody can stop you to speak English fluently. Yes, my dear friend, but you have to be passionate for it. You have to be crazy for it. Yes, I know many people will criticize you, because yeah, it's a long ways you can learn, but whenever you try to speak English in your locality, people will hear and hear you speaking English. They would comment on you that don't be an Englishman, okay, be Indian. So don't listen to that person, because this is not their journey, and they had tried to learn English, to speak English fluently, but they gave up. That's the reason they think that nobody can learn this language. But congratulations, you are different than that person. You are different than them. Okay, so never ever give up, never lose your hope, and never think about other people. Always think about your progress, always think about yourself, always think about your result, always think about your achievement. Okay, you know what is the importance of English. That's the reason you have started learning English. So don't listen to other people, what they tell about you. Never ever. You have to care about other people's opinion. Okay, you have to do it by yourself, because nobody is coming to save you, nobody is coming to help you cracking any interview. Okay, you have to crack your interview by yourself. So listen to this carefully. Never ever listen to others people's opinion, because your opinion is the best, and you are going to win in your life if you stop listening to other people, because you are the best and you are doing great thing in your life. You are on the right track. and you are almost about to reach on your destination. Your destination, your mission is to speak English fluently. Can you do it? Can you do this? Of course you can do it, because you are the best. You are winner. You are born to win. So believe in yourself, because nobody is like you. You are unbeatable. You are unstoppable. So stop listening to people and stop thinking what people will say about me. If I make mistake in speaking English, really nobody cares. Whether you are speaking broken English or you are speaking fluently, nobody really cares, because 99% people don't know how to speak English fluently. So how would they care? You are speaking wrong English or correct English, because they already don't know what this person is saying. So how can they judge you? And they don't have right to judge you. Oh, because they don't feed you food. They don't help you to success in your life. So how would they have right to judge you, criticize you? No, they don't have right to judge you. You have right to judge you. You have right to criticize yourself. But nobody has this right to judge you. Please understand this. Okay? And thank you for watching this video attentively, and wishing you all the best for the journey you have started to learn English. And of course, there are 6 months left of 2025, and I believe in you. You are going to speak English fluently if you are consistent with your goal, and if you are stick to your goal, and if you have committed to learn English in within 6 months, nobody can stop you to speak English fluently. But you have to commit with yourself. Yes, in this 6 months, no matter what, I have to speak English fluently. You have to set your goal, boundary, deadline for your goal. Then you can achieve your goal easily. So please set deadline for your goal. Okay? And work like a hell. And please keep working unless you achieve your goal. So thank you so much for watching this video once again, and I'll see you in my upcoming video. Till then, take yourself, keep smiling. Hopefully you like this video. So if you like this video, please share with 3 persons who are interested in learning English. So please do it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more such video, because I'm going to make valuable successful video for you guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take yourself and keep smiling. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.